Hello everybody and welcome to the Disney Cruise Line of the Wish. I am so excited to show you the room. As you can clearly see, I am very tall, so I have no space.
Compared to me, there's a lot of space.
Here we have our beautiful small bathroom. This is not going to be fun for later. I am sure about that. But hey, I'm on a cruise. I can't complain. Here we have our beautiful shower. It's not a rainfall shower, but like I said, I'm on a cruise. I'm gonna enjoy myself.
Here we guys go.
Ooh, the bath soap. That's actually cute.
Yeah, it is.
Then the body lotion, towels. Oh, the towels have the
You
Disney
didn't notice
Cruise Line.
yet.
That's actually really cool.
Okay.
I like that a lot.
And then how about the closets?
Closets. To be honest, decent.
Automatic lights.
Yeah, decent size.
Decent
I'm
size?
not even like.
We threw our stuff in there.
Oh, it actually turns off. And then after our life vests.
You know, when that
Just in case. Ooh, the laundry bag.
Yep.
But we're not gonna be using that, right?
We cannot even take those.
Yeah.
And then we just kind of threw our shoes in here, so it's out of the way.
Yeah, the safe.
How about the other side?
Where's this go?
This slides this way. This one, I don't know.
Oh, more life jackets and more. Oh, I can put my sweater here.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
We can actually throw a store.
I might as well just throw my stuff in here, so then after it's not like confusing.
Okay, Ethan, take us through.
All right, and as we can see, a lazy Brandon on the bed.
We did get the Tiana themed room.
That is such beautiful artwork.
So here's the bed.
Yeah. Somewhere I'm not sleeping. Like I said, I don't really get a choice in the matter of where I sleep.
It's not a bad thing. It's just a third wheel thing.
Yep. I am not going to be sleeping on the
top
because I'm going to fall and it is going to hurt.
We can ask him to open both and see which one you like.
I'm not sleeping on there. Like, I'm going to fall and you guys are going to laugh. No, thank you.
Content.
So, this is most likely where I'm going to sleep, but if I can't, then I guess the floor is my best option.
It's soft.
You know it turns into a bed, right?
Yeah, I know. Gotta figure that out. And here we have our balcony. There you go. Very nice.
Watch
view.
the puddles in
I
there.
gotta be careful about the puddles. Very nice view. Now I feel like a king. So nice. I'm so excited.
Wait till we get to Nassau.
Yeah.
Yep, but everyone, that is our room tour. Short and sweet. Here's another view from another way.
There's so
Brandon.
much.
Thank you so much for
watching, and we will see you guys next time.
You have anything to say?
No, I don't.
You got some more trouble on there. What did you just do?
I closed the thing.
Oh, okay.
Did you just swear?
No. Did you?
No, I'm talking to her. I wasn't talking to you.
Yeah, I said, what did you just do?
I had to roll that back. Bye.